Is your project heading for a disaster before it even begins? Today, we're unlocking the secrets of the project charter and why it's the crucial first step to project success. In under 2 minutes. You will know what a project charter is and what a project charter is not. Think of the project charter as the project's official birth certificate, a formal, written document that officially authorizes the project. This is your permission slip to get started. But it's more than just an approval. It clearly defines the project's core components. First, the objectives. What are we trying to achieve? Next, the scope. What exactly is included? And equally important, what's excluded? Third, the stakeholders. Who are the key players and what are their interests? And finally, it outlines the project manager's authority, empowering them to make decisions and allocate resources effectively. This eliminates any confusion down the line. Without a project charter, your project risks scope creep, miscommunication, and ultimately, failure. With a well-defined charter, everyone is on the same page, working toward the same goals. So, before you dive into your next project, take the time to create a robust project charter. It is truly the foundation for project success. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more project management tips.